Hey everyone, it's Lee, and I've got something special for you today, the Nokia 6300 4G. A feature phone that's generated a lot of buzz for its blend of practicality and affordability. Now many of you have asked me to dive into this one, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. If you're curious as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our tech explorations. So, let's get into it. So here it is, the Nokia 6300 4G. This unassuming box holds a world of functionality. The packaging is straightforward, reflecting the device as a no-nonsense approach. Inside you'll find the essentials: a product quick guide, a removable 1500 mAh battery, that's a BL4XL by the way, a humble yet efficient 2.75 watt charging brick with micro USB port. Choices are abound with this phone, coming in white, green and dark grey. Before we delve deeper, remember that your feedback fuels our content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this phone. Now let's give this phone the attention it deserves. At the front and centre, you're greeted by a 2.4-inch VGA display, offering a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. Beneath that, the D-pad commands attention, one of the most comfortable I've encountered on a feature phone. Its generous size and tactile feedback makes navigation a breeze. And speaking of navigation, the shortcut key, though compact, delivers satisfying clicks and ease of use. The glossy finish adds a touch of sleekness, but be prepared to combat fingerprints. Up top you'll find a multifunctional power button, also responsible for locking and unlocking. Don't forget the trusty 3.5 mAh headphone jack. The Nokia 6300 4G's design doesn't just stop at the front. The device nestles snugly in your hand, thanks to the well thought out form factor. Even with its 2.4-inch screen, it offers a comfortable grip, demonstrating that size isn't everything. The edge flaunts a glossy plastic finish, adding a dash of elegance. Flipping it to the back, and you're greeted by a VGA camera, equipped with a LED flash and a bottom loudspeaker. The matte plastic finish strikes a balance between aesthetics and practicality. Now let's explore what fuels this compact powerhouse. The Nokia 6300 4G is powered by the Qualcomm 8909 processor. That's a mouthful. Accompanied by a 512 megabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of internal memory. For those craving more space, fret not. The SD card slot can extend your storage up to a whopping 32 megabytes. The pre-installed Kai OS version 2.54 ensures smooth navigation and functionality. Alright, let's dive into what this phone offers straight out of the box. Here's a glimpse of the built-in applications, providing a solid foundation for your daily tasks. And don't miss the pre-installed game trials, a taste of what's on offer if you're in the mood for some fun. But there's something you might love. The settings menu even houses a hotspot feature, adding to this phone's versatility. Plus, the memory cleaner ensures your device maintains its swift performance. Now let's address the heart of the matter, the user experience. While I'll share my insights, I'm eager to hear from you. If you're a Nokia 6300 4G user, I'd love to know your take on the device. What stands out for you? Any aspects that could be improved? Share your thoughts in the comments below. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Nokia 6300G. a device that promises practicality without compromising on features. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews and unboxings. As always, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and I'll catch you in the next video.